Hello everyone, welcome to M365 Professional. Getting started with Microsoft Word. Interface and features. Microsoft Word is one of the most widely used word processing applications, helping individuals and businesses create professional documents efficiently, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. Understanding the interface and key features can significantly enhance your productivity. This guide will walk you through the essential aspects of Microsoft Word. 1. Understanding the Microsoft Word interface. When you open Microsoft Word, you are greeted with a user-friendly interface designed for ease of navigation and efficiency. The main components of the interface include the ribbon. The ribbon is located at the top of the window and contains multiple tabs, each with specific groups of commands. The key tabs include Home contains options for formatting text, such as font style, size, color, paragraph alignment, and styles. Insert allows you to add tables, images, charts, hyperlinks, headers, footers, and more. Design provides tools to enhance the document's visual appeal, including themes, colors, and fonts. Layout. Page layout in older versions enables users to adjust page margins, orientation, size, columns, and line spacing. References, useful for adding citations, bibliographies, footnotes, and table of contents. Mailings, used for creating mail merge documents, labels, and envelopes. Review, includes spelling and grammar checks, comments, track changes, and translation tools. View, provides different document viewing options, including read mode, print layout, and web layout. B. Quick access toolbar located at the top left corner. This toolbar provides shortcuts to frequently used commands like save, undo, redo, and print. Users can customize it based on their preferences. C. Document area, the main section where users type and edit their text. This workspace is where the actual document creation happens. D. Status bar, found at the bottom of the window. It displays information such as page number, word count, language, and view options. E. Navigation pane, this optional panel helps users quickly browse through document headings, pages, or search results. 2. Key features of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word offers a wide range of features that enhance document creation, editing, and formatting. Some of the most important ones include A. Text formatting and styles. Users can apply different font styles, sizes, colors, bold, italics, underline, and strike-through. Styles provide predefined formatting options that ensure consistency throughout the document. B. Templates. Word includes a variety of built-in templates for letters, resumes, reports, brochures, and more. Users can also download additional templates online. C. Tables and charts. Tables help organize data in rows and columns, while charts visually represent numerical data, making information easier to understand. D. Smart art and graphics. Users can add smart art diagrams, shapes, images, and word art to enhance the visual appeal of their documents. E. Spell check and grammar check. Word automatically checks for spelling and grammar errors, offering suggestions for corrections. F. Track changes and comments, a crucial feature for collaboration. Track changes allows users to review and accept or reject edits. Comments enable team members to provide feedback without altering the document content. G. Mail merge, ideal for sending bulk letters or emails. Mail merge helps personalize documents by inserting recipient-specific details from a data source. H. Page layout and design tools. Users can adjust margins, line spacing, paragraph alignment, and add headers, footers, page numbers, and cover pages for a polished look. I. Saving and exporting options. Documents can be saved in various formats, including docx, PDF, and RTF. Word also allows direct printing and sharing via email or cloud services like OneDrive. 3. Tips for efficient use of Microsoft Word. Use keyboard shortcuts. Learning shortcuts like Ctrl plus C copy, Ctrl plus V paste, and Ctrl plus C undo can save time. Enable autosave. If using OneDrive, enabling autosave prevents data loss. Customize the quick access toolbar. Add frequently used commands for quicker access. Use the Find and Replace tool. Quickly locate and replace specific words or phrases. Explore add-ins. Microsoft Word supports various add-ins that enhance functionality, such as dictionaries, citation tools, and translation services. Conclusion: Microsoft Word is a powerful tool for creating, formatting, and editing documents with ease. By familiarizing yourself with its interface and key features, you can work more efficiently and produce professional quality documents. Whether you're drafting a simple letter or preparing a complex report, mastering these tools will enhance your productivity and document presentation. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe us for more videos.